Hey guys, it's Joe from VMP. I'm here with a 2017 Mustang GT with the VMP Gen3R supercharger kit and a set of our oil pump gears. Interestingly enough, we actually did the same package on another one of their cars last week, but for now let's get this one up on the dyno, see what type of power it makes in comparison with their other car. So we just got finished up with this car on the dyno, but before I go over the numbers for this one, I want to kind of cover the other car that we did for them, the Grabber Blue car. The same package was installed in that one, so a VMP Gen3R supercharger, an 88mm pulley, our throttle body, the JLT 125mm cold air intake. Both cars have a muffler delete, and they both have stock manifolds and a stock mid-pipe. The Grabber Blue car, as you can see after this dyno pull, you'll see a dyno graph. The car made 699 horsepower, and after getting both of these cars dialed in, we noticed that the other car, the fuel quality wasn't quite as good, different gas station. They went to another gas station with this car, got some better quality fuel, and this car ended up making 717 horsepower on 93, and all in all, both these cars should be a lot of fun. If you're looking to achieve about the same thing from your car, make sure you hit up the sales department. We can hook you up with a VMP Gen3R kit. If you're interested in coming down for a vacation package, we can get you hooked up with one of those where we put you up in a hotel. And if you just want to see more videos like this, you like watching videos of cars make power, make sure you hit that like, share, subscribe button and hit the bell for notifications.